Hello students, in this practical we will learn about survey of scientific literature by using a computer. Earlier people used to search literature in books, but nowadays everything is computerized. You can get any literature or data easily in computer, but there are some ways to search the literature, especially when you will be doing your final semester project work. You have to go through lots of scientific review or scientific literature. For that reason, you will need this particular practical. In the previous slide, I have told you that there are many ways through which you can search scientific literature. In today's practical, we will try to find some of the scientific literature by going through National Center for Biotechnology Information or NCBI. NCBI is having millions of literature which are mostly freely available to the user. But how to find all those literature through NCBI? We'll see now. So to find scientific literature through NCBI, you have to go to NCBI's homepage. The red color marked ncbi.nlm.nih.gov URL will tell you the homepage of NCBI. When you go to this particular homepage, you will see one option called as All Database, in which you will see a combo box where lots of databases are available. In this particular combo box, you have to select the particular database according to your need, and then you can search your scientific literature through it. Here we will see different types of literature present in NCBI. In NCBI, mainly we see three different types of literature database. One is book, another is PubMed, and another is PMC. So when you select book in NCBI, it will give you lots of books related to your query. When you search PubMed, it will give you different types of scientific papers which are mostly freely available. And coming to PMC, which stands for PubMed Central, is almost same as PubMed. But in PMC, we will see mostly freely available scientific literature. Here also, you have to select PMC or PubMed database according to your need. Then you have to search your query. Then it will give you the result accordingly. Here in this slide, I am searching PubMed database for COVID-19, which has created pandemic in the whole world. So in the next slide, you will see different literature related to COVID-19. So this is the result for PubMed database for COVID-19 search, where you can see lots of scientific papers related to COVID-19. You may visit this URL for more information. Thank you. Practice it.